Today, I am reviewing Amazon Fire HD8 Tablet 2024. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact, versatile, and affordable tablet, the Amazon Fire HD8 newest model is an excellent choice. This tablet comes with an 8-inch HD display, offering sharp visuals at 1280 by 800 resolution with IPS technology, which means you get consistent colors and wide viewing angles whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or playing games. Its sleek black design is lightweight and durable, making it perfect for on-the-go entertainment or for students, families, and casual users. One of the standout features of this new model is its performance upgrade. With a hexa-core 2.0 GHz processor and 3 GB of RAM, this Fire HD8 is significantly faster than previous generations, making it smoother for multitasking, streaming, and light gaming. The tablet comes with 32 GB of internal storage, and if you need more, you can easily expand it with a microSD card up to 1 TB, which is perfect for storing videos, photos, or downloaded content. Battery life is impressive. The Fire HD8 promises up to 13 hours of reading, browsing, watching videos, and listening to music, meaning you can go through a full day without worrying about charging. And when it's time to recharge, the tablet supports USB-C fast charging, so you can go from 0 to full much faster with the optional 9W or 15W adapters. The entertainment experience on the Fire HD8 is enhanced by its smart software features. You can stream movies and shows from Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and other supported apps, or play games like Minecraft and Roblox directly from the Amazon App Store. Keep in mind that Google Play is not supported, but there's still a wide range of apps available for streaming, social media, and productivity. For creatives and casual users, the tablet comes with 3 built-in smart tools that let you send polished emails, summarize web pages, or create custom wallpapers, helping you get more done efficiently. Meanwhile, the dual cameras, 5MP rear and 2MP front, allow for casual photography, video recording, and video calls with friends and family, including support for apps like Zoom. The Fire HD8 is Alexa-enabled, giving you a hands-free experience. You can ask Alexa to play music, update shopping lists, control smart home devices, check the news or weather, and even make video calls. Combined with features like Voice View, Screen Magnifier, and Tap to Alexa, the tablet is highly accessible, allowing users of all abilities to navigate it easily. Connectivity is solid with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and support for public and private networks. The tablet also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, integrated stereo speakers, and external volume controls, making it a complete package for multimedia consumption. The build quality is also commendable. It's thin, lightweight at just 337 grams, and durable enough for daily use, whether you're commuting, studying, or just relaxing at home. Amazon has also included a 90-day limited warranty, with optional extended plans for additional coverage. Overall, the Amazon Fire HD8 newest model offers excellent value for money. With its upgraded processor, 3 GB RAM, expandable storage, long battery life, and HD display, it's perfect for entertainment, productivity, and everyday use. Whether you want to read, stream, play games, or stay connected, this tablet is a reliable, versatile, and fun device that fits comfortably in your hands and your lifestyle.